Ingredients plus close-ups. Let's get cooking. After putting the vegetables in the pot, lemongrass, ginger, onion leaves, and tomatoes inside the pot, put the fish inside. Next, stir them all together to get a good consistency. Now to wait. Perfect. Now we have to put the yam leaves. You already know. Stir them up together.
While we wait, what is your favorite Filipino meal? Answer it in the comment section.
Now put in the malunggay. Next is the onion leaves. Mix, 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 mix. And then you'll have
Wow! Thank you for watching. Follow for more.